Hello everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to our API tutorial. So in this last lecture, if you have noticed what we were trying to do, we were trying to drill down a little bit about Postman. So if we have been using more of redundant data, duplicated data, which is not required and which can be passed into variable and you can simultaneously use it for some different test cases that we have done. Now suppose in this lecture, what I'm gonna do, we were running collection from here, right? So instead of running from here, suppose you cannot run. You can go into your different requests. You want to run multiple time the request multiple time. What if you want to run your collection from command line? For that, you need to have your node in the system, Node.js. If you have heard about it, if you have gone through our Cypress lectures, you must have seen the importance of Node. I have discussed over there. So, being that I've already installed Node, and you can see in our Cypress lecture how to install Node, how to get it set up in your system. After that, if you have noticed, Node is in your system. Any extra library related to Node, if you want to install, you can also install. You can see in our Cypress first lecture if you want to install Cypress, gonna be npm install Cypress. If you're gonna be trying to installing or having some dependencies from MookAwesome report, you can be having the command called npm install hyphen save hyphen dev MookAwesome. Similar way, the token term which I am trying to introduce over here and which is in the system from the very long time is newMan. So using newMan, you can run your collection from command line. So once Node has been installed into your system, which has already been discussed in our Cypress lecture, you can go have a look. You're gonna type this command in your command line. Okay, so I have done that. If you so I have already done that. You're gonna just write like this wherever you are. You're just gonna npm install hyphen g newman. Though I have already done it, I've already installed into my system. I'm not gonna redo it. So when it has been installed, then what is the next lecture? What the next step you're gonna do? Okay. So for the next, you need to create a folder over here. So suppose I'm gonna give the folder name as simple learning. Okay. And suppose we're gonna give it a name as newman, something simple, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna export this whole collection into that folder, right, in some kind of file, so that it will identify when you're trying to pass that particular file into command line using newman command, right? You're gonna go over here, you're gonna click on export, you're gonna go with the recommended one, go to your desktop, and the folder name is newman. Go inside newman. It's been giving a really long name. Let's go with a little bit short, something again, newman.json, right? The newman.json has been done. If you will see inside this, you will be having a JSON file been created for you. Now what are you gonna do? You're gonna go to your command line. You're gonna reach into this particular directory. To reaching some particular directory, what you're gonna pass? You're gonna pass cd, and we are already in Shubh Dikshit, so we're gonna go to desktop next, cd desktop. You have reached to desktop now. Now need to reach to newman folder. Then you're gonna write cd newman. Now you have reached over here. Now you need not to do anything. You just need to pass a command. Okay, that command I've already noted down here. Newman run, similar. Cypress run, protractor run. Similarly, newman run. Okay, so I'm gonna write newman run and then the file name with this extension. So I'm going to take the whole file name with the extension. I'm going to pass it over here. Whether we have copied it or not, just check it. Yes, we have copied it. And you're going to click on enter. Then it will start executing your whole collection. See, it has started with sample learning. I'll show you one by one. Let it get completed first. Go up a little bit. Okay. So you have reached. So started from here, it has given you the collection names, which collection you have provided, right? Which collection you exported. Sample learning, same. Then you have 3 requests and like a name as new request, or sample login successful. All 4 requests it has executed. The first one, new request, where it has been saying what response you were trying to expect, how much time did it took. So if you go over here, this is the post request. This is the URI http api.mock.io, and there were 3 or 4 tests you have passed, right? Even the test it has executed. So we have been validating the status code here. This is the message you pass in your test script, if you will notice in the console, right? It has printed the console message for you. It has said that status code is 200. So why it has been showing that? Because this is the assertion you provided in your test script. If you'll notice, the status code in 200, body matches the string, everything. With the status message, it will be showing you in the kind of report format. Then the second was new request, again the similar name. That is my mistake, but you can have this different name if you want to have. Then get request, next one was get, next one was post, and again post, sample login successful. So and then if you notice the table which you have over here, you see this table. So this table will tell you each and everything which you're gonna have over here, right? So suppose iteration, the only one time the collection had been executed, then request, 4 requests were there, as you can see in Postman, the 4 requests were under in that collection. Then test scripts, the how many test scripts you have passed, we've passed in first and second. Then pre-request text scripts also there, the assertions you have provided and you've asked for, how much time did it take to run, how much data it has been consuming or it has received. So that and all, and each and everything has been beautiful provided to you in a report format. So you need not to go into Postman and just need to see and debug and do a lot of stuff. You just pass your like this particular command from here. You will run the whole collection. It will give you this particular report. So this is the use of newMan, and excuse me for that. And this is the stuff which you're gonna try after this lecture is over. And please let me know if any doubt. Till the next lecture, we're gonna look into something else with our API testing and Postman related stuff. Till the time, thank you so much.